There can be reasons that a luminaire won't join the network. I show you here how you can use a hue switch to execute a factory reset of a luminaire. Press the 0 and 1 at the same time. In the corner, you should see, after roughly 10 seconds, a red light blinking that turns into a blinking green LED. Power cycle the luminaire and you can discover it like a factory new luminaire. Here, I show you how you can factory reset a gateway. There is a tiny hole at the back of the gateway. I usually bend a paper clip to execute the factory reset. Press the button by pushing the paper clip into that hole for about 25 seconds while it is being powered. You see the connectivity LEDs go off, and then after a while they turn blue again. The gateway is ready to be used again. Note that project data associated with this gate gets lost by a factory reset, so handle with care. You will need to recommission your project.